Unit 2. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Eileen Fisher. Nina and the baby sparrows. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy, except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. "What color would you like?" Mother asked. "I don't want a new dress, Mother," said Nina. "Salwar kameez then?" Nina shook her head. "What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week?" "I don't want those either. Thank you, Mother." Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, Mother came and sat near Nina. "What is it, child?" she asked. "Why did you say no to everything?" "Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding." "But why?" Nina said nothing. Instead, 2 big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. "Don't cry, my pet," she said. "Why don't you tell me what's bothering you?" More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. "Mother," she said, "there's a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are 2 baby sparrows in the nest." "I see," said Mother. "They're just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep, cheep, asking for food." "I see," said Mother. "If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies?" "Oh, Nina," cried Mother, giving her a big hug. "Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding?" "But that's no problem at all. We'll leave the window open." "Oh, can we, Mother? Can we? Really?" Yes. We'll remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe and Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too." Just think, Nina. While you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. And wasn't Nina thrilled? Pratibha Nath.